Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to set a time limit for screen usage on your Android OS device or Samsung Galaxy smartphone. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is just swipe up on your home screen and then select the setting button. Underneath settings, you want to select apps. And then under general, select screen time. So all you have to do is just locate the app that you want to set up a limit for. And you can then just select under settings where it says app timer. Go ahead and select it. And then you can select how much time you want to allow on that app per day. Please note that the limit will reset at midnight according to the phone's clock. And then you would select OK to save the change. And that's all you would have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys, on that. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out. And I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.